So children, today I have come with a new question from the chapter Similar Triangle, and the question is: triangle ABC and triangle AMP are right angled at B and M respectively. So check the diagram. There are two triangles. The first triangle's name is triangle ABC. So you can see here ABC. So this is the first triangle, and it is said it is right angled at B. So you can see a symbol of right angle, that is 90 degree at B. And second triangle is triangle AMP. AMP. So this is just lying here like this. This is AMP, second triangle, and the right angle, that is 90 degree, is at M. So you can see symbol is there. So this is 90 degree at M. Given AC is 10 centimeter, AP is 15 centimeter, PM equal to 12 centimeter. So all these values we will write in the solution. This is the question. Now what is to find now? Number one, prove that the two triangles, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. So these two triangles which I spoke about just now, I have to prove that it is similar. Second, find AB and BC. So once we prove that these two triangles are similar, then we will use proportionality theorem, and from there I will find value of AB and BC. Number 3, find the ratio of the area of triangle ABC to area of triangle AMP. So these two triangles areas ratio we have to find. So we will have to find the ratio of their area, and yesterday we have learned if we do the square of the sides of the triangle, then we can find the value of area. So we will use yesterday's formula. So solution starts. Same triangle, but here I have put the value as AC is 10 centimeter, AP is 15 centimeter, and that is PM, or we can say yes, PM is 12 centimeter. It is given in the question. So I show this and I have put the respective value. Now I will begin number 1. So as I have to prove these two triangles are similar to each other, so I wrote this both the triangles in the heading, in triangle ABC and triangle AMP. So I took it from here. Now I am going to prove that these two triangles are similar. First one is angle ABC is equal to angle AMP, 90 degree given. So you can see ABC, angle ABC means I have to see the middle alphabet, that is B. So angle B, and AMP means M, that is M, this one. So these both are equal. Why they are equal? Because 90 degree, and it is given in the question also. It was said that they are right angle. So given. And second one, angle BAC. BAC, that means I am speaking about angle A. BAC means because the middle one is A. So I am speaking about angle A. And angle MAP. MAP. Again I am speaking about angle A, but this time triangle is different. That was first BAC was from triangle ABC and MAP is from triangle AMP. So that's why you can see this angle A is common in both the triangle. So common angle. Now whenever we prove that the two angles of these two respective triangles are equal, then we can say both the triangles are similar to each other. So number 1 question's answer has been proved. Now number 2, the demand is to find AB and BC. So now we have the license to use the proportionality theorem. Once we prove the triangles are similar, we can use proportionality theorem. Without proving similarity, we cannot use this formula. And had this question number 1 be not being asked also, whenever we are finding any side, we have to use proportionality theorem, then we are bound to prove the triangles are similar. So now we can use this proportionality theorem. Now if I take AB, I have to take AM. You can see here AB by AM. If I take BC, BC by then MP. And if I take AC, I have to take AP. So AC by AP. Now I will put all the values like AB by AM, nothing given from the diagram. You can see no values given. BC not given, but MP is given 12. And AC is given as 10. AP is given as 15. You can check from here. Now you can see nothing given means we will not take this part. Now we will take this both the part. So we took both the part, and now from here I am going to get the value of BC. 15 into BC equal to 10 into 12. Now BC equal to, it will be 10 into 12 by 15. So in the next page you will find that. So you can see that BC is same. Now after cancellation BC is 8. So one answer has come. But children, you can see here BC I got, but I have to find AB also. So now you can see BC value was not given. Just now I got the value of BC. AB value we have to find, and AC I know. That means in a right angle triangle, now I know perpendicular and I also know hypotenuse from the question. So now I have to find base. So without using proportionality theorem also, I can use Pythagoras theorem and find AB. Now you might be asking, sir, why not by using proportionality theorem? Then let me tell you children, like AB we have to find, but AM value is not given. So when AM also not given, AB also not given, it is very difficult to find the value of AB by using proportionality theorem. So we will find the value of AB by using Pythagoras theorem. So now in triangle ABC, AC is given, it is hypotenuse. You can check the diagram. BC is perpendicular, it is 8, and AB is base, and we have to find AB also. So base equal to h square minus p square. Base is AB, so hypotenuse is 10, perpendicular is 8, 10 square minus 8 square, root over 100 minus 64, root over 36, root over, that is 6 centimeters. So now we got AB also. So BC we have got, now we got AB. So number 2 also is finished. Now we have to find the ratio of area of triangle ABC by area of triangle AMP. So number 3 question, we have to find the ratio of these two. So here you can see I have taken AC and I have taken AP. AC square by AP square. Now you might be asking, sir, why you did not take AB and AM? Then let me tell you, I have the value of AB, but I don't have the value of AM. So it was useless to take that particular square of side. BC we know, MP also we know. So we could have taken BC also, MP also. But AC and AP also is given. So I am doing now AC square by AP square. AC value you can check, it is 10. In the diagram you can check. AP also you can check from diagram, it is 15 square. 10 square by 15 square is 100 by 225. If you cancel, then with 25, 25 4s are 100, 25 9s are 225. 4:9 is our answer. One more option, one more way I have done. Just now I had told you BC value also is given, MP value also is given. BC we have got, just now we got BC is 8. So BC is square, that means if I am using BC, I am using MP. So BC square is 8 square, MP is 12. It is given in the diagram, 12 square. 64 by 144, and if we cancel, same answer we get, 4:9. So that means you can take any one pair of square of sides which is known. Both should be known. So that way I have done. Now you see this video children, and do this homework. Thank you children.